Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Built to deliver 80 plus bronze efficiency, the Smart XB1 RGB series is available in 550 watt, 650 watt and 750 watt models. The pre-installed 10 LED RGB fan provides excellent airflow and also 3 lighting modes, 7 color options, LED off and a built-in memory function which saves the colors applied to ensure the same color selection every time you boot up your PC. The Thermaltake Smart XB1 RGB 650W power supply comes with premium components, a stable continuous power output at 40 degrees centigrade, a 5-year warranty and near silent operation. Trouble-free installation and reliable performance have made the Smart XB1 RGB series satisfy the market where value-orientated users are looking for an advanced power supply with great aesthetics. As before mentioned, this does come with a 120mm LED fan, and to change the lighting effects is simple and capable of displaying up to 7 colours: red, green, blue, yellow, purple, light blue and white. 3 illumination modes which consist of pulse, fully lighted and RGB cycle, and an LED mode off, and this is operated by the large button situated on the rear of the power supply unit. As like a lot of other Thermaltake power supplies, this too also operates under 40 decibels and is made with high quality Japanese main capacitors, which greatly improves the durability and offers the highest stability and reliability of the unit. This power supply comes with one main 24-pin power connector, one ATX12V 4x4 connector, 6 SATA connections and 2 PCIe 6+2 connections, 4 Molex and 1 floppy disk drive connections. The Smart XB1 RGB 650 is 80 plus 230V bronze certified and Intel C6 to C7 stage ready. Also, the Smart XB1 RGB series saves energy through its high efficiency up to 88% and is certified to 80 plus bronze. It has been optimized to work with all generations of Intel processors to achieve maximum energy saving and is also compatible with AMD Ryzen. You may have noticed that the cables are different from any other PSU we have looked at in the past. So how is it to install? Well, very easy indeed. In fact, the matte black flat cables making bending and turning the cables into position so much easier, and therefore works with any build theme and saves a lot of time on cable management. So to recap, premium made, practically silent, great energy performance, RGB, easy to use and affordable. So all this said, this has got to have our gold award because the flat black cables on this power supply unit make it so much better and so much easier to work with. Then being under £70 here in the UK, it really does stand tall and proud of being one of the best PSUs you are able to buy today. So thanks for coming to watch everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.